Yo, what's up everyone, it's Quantivo. We all know a good logo is key when you're building a brand, right? Canva templates just ain't cutting it anymore. But what if I told you there's a whole new wave of AI logo generators out there? Like seriously next level stuff that pumps out unique, brandable logos in seconds. And some of these even learn your style and adapt as you go. That's what we're diving into today. 10 AI logo generators that are gonna blow Canva out of the water. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. First up, we've got Looka. Looka isn't just about the logo, it's about building your entire brand identity from the jump. We're talking business cards, website assets, social media kits, the whole 9 yards. You feed it some basic info about your brand, the AI gets to work, and boom, you've got a cohesive look across all platforms. Think of it like this. Looka takes the pain out of consistency. No more jumping between different design tools, trying to make everything match. It's all right there, generated specifically for your brand in one streamlined process. Next, we're checking out Brandmark, and this one's for all the design nerds out there. Brandmark uses machine learning to nail those aesthetic principles we love. It doesn't just spit out a logo, it gives you a full-on brand style guide with color palettes, typography pairings, and usage guidelines. Talk about leveling up your brand game. If you're going for that sleek corporate vibe, LogoAI is your new best friend. This tool is laser-focused on typography-based logos, crucial for building a professional image. You can tweak every little detail even after the AI does its thing. Perfect for B2B brands, agencies, anyone who needs their logo to scream we're serious but we've got style. Alright, get this, Designs.ai isn't just a logo generator, it's an entire creative suite. We're talking logos, videos, banners, social media posts, you name it. The logo generator is fast, flexible, and integrates seamlessly with the rest of their platform. You can pump out a logo, then instantly create matching marketing materials, all in one dashboard. It's streamlined content creation on steroids. Now I know what you're thinking, Wix? For real? But hear me out. Wix's AI engine is way more capable than you might think. It asks you a few targeted questions about your brand, like what vibe you're going for, what industry you're in, and then it gets to work. The result? Logos that are actually pretty slick. And if you're already using Wix for your website, it's all integrated. Calling all e-commerce entrepreneurs. Hatchful by Shopify is specifically designed for you. It generates logos optimized for product tags, packaging, and even mobile UX. And the best part? It's completely free. Shopify knows how important a good logo is when you're starting out, so they're giving you this powerful tool at no cost. Alright, let's talk about speed. Logo.com is all about getting you a logo fast. You type in your brand name, select the overall vibe you're going for, and bam, logo options galore. Logo.com checks if your brand name is available as a .com right then and there. It's branding and web presence all in one streamlined package. If you're in the tech space, specifically SaaS, crypto, or finance, Logopony needs to be on your radar. This tool gets the minimalist, modern aesthetic that's so hot right now. We're talking clean lines, geometric shapes, and a focus on typography. All the logos are generated as SVGs, which means they're infinitely scalable and perfect for developers to work with. Logopony keeps it crisp, clean, and developer-friendly. BrandCrowd is an interesting one. It's a hybrid approach, combining the power of AI with a library of professionally designed templates. You get the speed and efficiency of AI generation, but with a touch of human creativity. Browse through the AI-generated options, then further customize them using BrandCrowd's intuitive editor, best of both worlds. Last but not least, we've got LogoMakr. This one isn't fully AI-powered, but it earns a spot on this list because of its hybrid approach. You can auto-generate a logo based on your preferences, or dive into the editor for full manual control. It's a great option for those who want to be more hands-on with their logo design but still appreciate the help of AI for inspiration. So there you have it guys, 10 AI logo generators that are absolutely crushing it right now. Canva is cool and all, but if you want your brand to stand out, you need a logo that's as unique as your vision. These AI tools give you the speed, the style, and the smarts to create a logo that truly represents your brand. And the best part? You don't need to be a design wizard to use them. Let me know in the comments which one of these you're most excited to try out. Until next time, keep creating.